My name's Alex, and this is the story of how I went from catching a felony at 18 and thinking my life was over to flipping land full-time and making over 6 figures every single month. Now, I was supposed to go to college, but one little fight that I got into changed absolutely everything. I got arrested, got a felony, and that one mistake really took away every opportunity I thought that I had. Since then, I have built a life that I never thought was possible. I run a land flipping business that brings in over 6 figures every single month. I live in my dream Miami apartment. I can travel whenever I want, and I drive the cars I used to dream about. But I did not start here. I went broke in Miami chasing the party lifestyle, maxed out my credit cards, lied to myself, said I would change, and I didn't. And I've never shared a lot of what I'm about to tell you in this video. And this is not to flex everything I have today. This is to inspire the person who was once in my position. Because if I can flip my life around making online money, I'll tell you right now, anyone can. Let's get into my story. At 18, I was just like everyone else. I was a regular high school kid. Everyone around me was freaking out, stressing out over college applications, talking about majors, getting ready for the next chapter. Like it was all mapped out, some special plan. For me, I wanted to go to a school pretty close to me to walk on the football team. I played football in high school. I wanted to walk on the football team and play Division I football there. That was my life, right? That was my goal. I didn't care about school otherwise. And out of nowhere, everything changed. You know, just when I thought things were finally going the right way, I got into that school. I was going to walk on the football team. The first week, my first semester of college, I got into a fight. You know, one stupid decision ended up with a felony on my record. College was gone, right? Every plan I had shattered. You know, I remember sitting in my room thinking, you know, I ruined everything. That moment right there really crushed my confidence. But even with going to jail, I still had the motivation in me to keep pushing and carve a different path in my story. And that motivation was not right away, right? For a while, I definitely felt completely lost. Like I really messed everything up while going through this, you know, little court case I had for a fight. But I kept on pushing through. I started working as a waiter. I got into Airbnb. I was able to save up enough money. I saw stuff online about Airbnb, how it was amazing, things like that, right? I had a cheap apartment. I was working as a waiter, saving all my money, getting into Airbnb, started making some money from it, and it wasn't going too bad, you know? Dealt with headaches here and there for sure, as far as, you know, tenants and guests complaining at the Airbnbs, but it wasn't too bad. But I felt like I was doing everything right. My Airbnb account got shut down out of nowhere about 1 year in. They started essentially doing background checks out of nowhere. My Airbnb account got shut down. So I lost a lot of money having to pay the rent of these properties out of my pocket, not being able to rent out the property on Airbnb. So I was kind of screwed. Those leases came to an end. You know, I was chasing this lifestyle in Miami, blowing all my money, going out, not actually building the life I wanted for myself. You know, constantly frustrated, honestly ashamed, because I kept promising myself I won't do this again, right? I will not go out again. I won't mess up again. But then I kept repeating it. So I felt at rock bottom once again. Lost all the money I made from Airbnb, right? Had to cover rent for these properties, cover my rent in Miami. It didn't go too well. So I kind of had to start from the beginning again. Now, I realized I was chasing all these different things I saw online that were working for some other people, but it didn't actually work, right? It didn't make sense in the long term. And the same shame kept coming back, just like before. You know, it was really a wake-up call that I needed. I made a promise to myself right then and there, I am never going down that path again. This time I would stay focused, I would stay disciplined, I would stick with something that actually made sense. And of course, that is when everything started to change. And I found something that I was passionate about that also made sense, had long-term potential, and wasn't another shiny internet business. One day I had a couple friends who were flipping land and they were making some pretty real money from it. I saw the results, and instead of brushing it off, I started asking questions to see how it worked, how I could get into it, and why it made so much sense. Exactly, you know, what they were doing. They offered to show me, right? I had to pay them a few bucks, but I followed their blueprint. I got started immediately, but this time I had a clear goal in mind and a new level of focus. I had a skill set. That was sales, marketing, things like that. So I took exactly what they were teaching me. I put my own spin on it, and I really built something big out of it. And it was a very simple process, right? All I'm doing is asking builders, home builders, what land they need and what they'll pay. Finding the owners of this land who bought it years ago for cheap. I get it under contract, but I flipped the contract contract to the builder. So from there, I took action. I landed my first ever payday pretty quickly. It did not stop there. My first month, I made over $20,000, right? Which I credit to having guidance in the end. I think if I started out on my own, it would have taken a little bit longer. But I created my own systems, my own way of doing it. Month 3, boom, $35,000. You know, month 4 to 6, I was doing $50,000 to $60,000 every single month, just like that quickly. So after scaling past $50,000 a month, I knew it was time for the next level. Okay, so I parted ways with my business partner. I built my own team from the ground up. I shifted my entire mindset, right? Once I parted ways and did this on my own, I knew it was time. I was going to scale this business to the moon. I brought on the right people, and boom, $150,000 a month. So I had a very small team of just a few guys that were locked in, absolute killers. We started doing $150,000 every single month. And keep in mind, I did not have to split that with anybody because I didn't have a business partner. I was running the show, I was in control, I was doing the work, and the results were paying off. So now in 2025, at just 25 years old, I'm consistently making over 6 figures every month flipping land, and now I live the life I've always dreamed of. I'm in shape, I'm living in Miami, driving insane exotic cars, traveling the world, and most importantly, mentoring others on how to flip land and rewrite their own stories. So over the last 7 years, I have learned one of the hardest lessons. You have to let go of distractions and start chasing purpose, not just chasing a flashy, empty lifestyle. It will not go anywhere, I promise you. And if I had to start land flipping all over again from zero, here's exactly what I would do. Number one, right, the content I put out for you to follow really helps give you guidance as far as what you need to do. You need to stick to that one high leverage skill. You need to focus on the systems over just the hustle. You need to invest your money, not just spend it. Stay away from lifestyle traps, forgive your past, and don't forget the lessons. But you have to follow a system, right? And the exact system I teach to my students, these are regular people who are learning how to flip land starting from completely scratch. You know, for example, I have a kid, Kevin, who came in his first month, made over $10,000, right? Just by following the exact steps I used to scale. He tried fix and flips, all this other BS, right? Or this girl, Naraya, who spent her last dollar trying to start this business and she closed her first $11,500 deal. So I reveal everything I did to scale over to $100,000 per month flipping land. So these are real people who wanted to get started, that were in a position that was not too good. They were able to start this business the same exact way I was able to start this business, because that's what this business is. Land flipping is genuinely a model that anybody, no matter who you are, your experience, your skill set, you can find success doing. And that's what I noticed quickly when I started doing land flipping on my own, right? Because I tried so many things, e-com, a solar company, Airbnb, really a lot of different things, you know, all this sales and marketing stuff, trading, none of it worked out. And for me, when I got into the business of land flipping, it was just a light bulb. It really was, especially when I had my 2 friends showing me the basic blueprint that I need to follow, which is the same blueprint I post in a lot of my videos here on YouTube. But it was as simple as following that blueprint, putting the time in and following the system behind it, and then putting my own little twist on it, because I do have a skill set, right? And a special feeling for certain aspects of business that I think I was really able to take this to a high level with that other people weren't doing, where I'm doing 30 to 40 land deals every single month, literally every single month, so consistently, $150,000 to $200,000 flipping land, not buying the land, using none of my own money. So this business here was the one that changed the game for me. So if you're serious about locking in and learning how to do this from your laptop, from anywhere in the world, click the first link in the description. Book a call. I'll see how, you know, we can create a plan for you and help you out. But other than that, this was my story of how I went from losing everything to consistently earning over 6 figures every single month. Like, comment, subscribe. I will see you in the next video.